Hey guys, I hope you all are having a lovely weekend. Today we are gonna be making my awesome blueberry muffins in just 3 simple steps. This recipe makes 3 extra large fluffy muffins that are absolutely delicious. So without wasting any more time, let's measure out all our ingredients and let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. Next, whisk the dry ingredients to combine everything, then add the wet ingredients. Mix them all together to combine all the flavors. The batter for muffins are usually thick, so don't freak out. Your muffins will still turn out great. Add in the blueberries and fold them into the batter using a spatula, and now your batter is ready to be baked. Grease a cupcake or muffin mold with butter or oil and add the batter. Bake the muffins for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. As I said earlier, this recipe makes 3 large blueberry muffins. Here you go guys, this is my extra large and fluffy blueberry muffins that are to die for. Bake them for your family and friends and I assure you it will be a hit. These muffins are so moist and fluffy and they taste absolutely heavenly. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and ding that notification bell. I will see you in my next video with more sweet content. Bye!